And another area at which influencers aren't careful is when they repeat things that they're seeing in the media, especially when it comes to like court cases and stuff like that, or like legal jargon, whatever, that isn't necessarily true. People were going around saying that Anthony Edwards petitioned the court to not have visitation and custody of his child.
Wasn't it like something about giving up his like parental rights or something like
Yeah,
that?
and it's like, first of all, in the situation, he didn't petition the court. A petition is the first like court filing that you do to get the lawsuit going, to get the case started. Like their case was already ongoing, so he didn't petition the court. What they were talking about, and I really had to like look deeper in it to find out what it was a snippet from a declaration. And a declaration is just like a statement that you're making to the court. It was a snippet of a declaration where he said he's not seeking custody and visitation, so the only thing left in this matter is financial. We're not arguing that he is trying to be in child life and all the other stuff. Yeah. No, I'm just saying what that specific sentence means is just that people want to take out of context and put all these intentions and stuff behind it when it's like, can we just look at it for what it is? Yes, all those other things might be true, but you're not getting that off of this information. I also want to make the point that I was looking into, okay, well, how did they get this information? Because family court cases aren't public information.
Sealed, yeah.
Yeah, so I was looking at an article, and they just cited another article. So I went to that original article, and then they quoted, it was just, I got to
a bunch of articles quoting
exactly.
articles.
But I got to the original source, and I think it was like Yahoo or something like that. And what they said is the people at Yahoo got access to the court documents. They didn't post the court documents. They didn't say anything else. They took the whatever court documents they have, and whether or not they have the court documents hasn't been verified. We're just trusting their word. They said they just put a sentence of a declaration out in the public. These sources are just telling you to trust them, like, hey, I got the court documents and he said this. Not saying that they're lying, but we need to start thinking more critically about how we're getting information and how the information is being given to us. Out of all of the court proceedings, you're giving me one sentence from one declaration in this whole case.